Ayan, wala nang balikan ko. Okay. Ayan, joke lang ako kanina to. Kay Kuya Justin. Kay Kuya Justin ba to? Kay Kuya Justin. And, Daddy Sherry, ate? Anong pangalan niya, ate? Ate Karina. Okay, so everybody clap hands for them. Okay, congratulations. And gain your prize. Okay, meron pa tayong next item for my second item with John B. Together with Nika. I want you to bring us now your ATM card. Make it up to your ATM card. Ay, nabili naman ni Kuya. Ano pangalan ni Kuya? Si Kuya DJ. Okay, palagpakan naman natin si Kuya DJ. Congratulations. Tignan ko ako red lipstick to. Ayan, pwede na red lipstick. How about this one? Ayan, I said red lipstick. Okay, kanina to. Okay, sorry. Ayan, dapat red lipstick. Okay, hindi rin to. Okay, so I think we have to win it. So everybody clap hands for red lipstick. Alright, congratulations. And don't forget, meron pa tayong next item. So for my next item is, Jollibee Together with Nika asks you to bring us now your 100 peso coin! Walang tumama. Sabi ko, 100 peso coins. Ayan, hindi ko sinabing 100 peso bill. Ayan, dahil mali kayo, bibigay ko na lang ito kay Nika. Kay Nika, claim your 400 peso bill. Ayan, sa'yo naman. Ayan, joke lang, nagabahan sila Nika. Okay, kanina to. Kanina yung isang Ayan. Kay Kuya ba to? Ayun kay Sir. Okay, so this time, ayan. Ayan, dahil walang tumama, so palilitin na lang natin. Palilitin na lang natin na walang may 100 peso coin. So this time, everybody can give me another 10 pieces of 1 peso coin. Go! Magkakaroon tayo ng coin shower. Okay? So this time, lahat ng gusto ko tumutawid dito sa harapan.